I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn machine learning from scratch. Begin by building a strong foundation in mathematics, focusing on linear algebra, calculus, and statistics. These are the bedrock for understanding algorithms. Simultaneously, master a programming language like Python, which is essential for implementing and experimenting with machine learning models. Dedicate at least 2 to 3 months to these foundational skills before moving on. Next, dive into the core concepts of machine learning. Differentiate between supervised and unsupervised learning, and explore key algorithms like linear regression, logistic regression, and decision trees. Learn how to evaluate your models using metrics such as accuracy, precision, and recall. This phase typically takes another 2 to 3 months to cover thoroughly, building on your mathematical and programming base. Now it's time to get hands-on. Start with small, guided projects using libraries like scikit-learn for traditional machine learning and TensorFlow or PyTorch for deep learning. These projects solidify your understanding and build your portfolio. Consider participating in online competitions, which offer real-world problem-solving experience and expose you to diverse datasets. Aim for at least 3 to 5 significant projects. Finally, delve into advanced topics such as deep learning, neural networks, and natural language processing. The field evolves rapidly, so continuous learning is crucial. Follow leading researchers, read academic papers, and engage with the machine learning community. This ongoing process ensures you remain current and expand your expertise, opening doors to more complex and exciting challenges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.